Is your Minecraft server feeling more like a ghost town than a bustling world? Adding NPCs to your world might be the solution. The Citizens plugin can do just that. We'll go over the 5 essential features you need to implement to bring your world to life. And be sure to stick around for the 5th feature, because it will completely change how you manage your server. Let's jump in. I've left a link in the description for the free version of the Citizens plugin. The versioning on Citizens is a little bit finicky, so you might need to try an alternative version if the plugin is loading. You can click on the Changes tab, hit Ctrl F, and search for the version you're using. Now that we've got installation out of the way, your first step is creating an NPC. Stand where you want it to spawn, and use the command /NPC create, followed by name. For example, /NPC create Bob. This spawns a standard player NPC at your location. You can also specify an energy type to create any mob, but for now, we'll stick with a player NPC. Now you have a basic NPC. Next, we'll give it a custom look to make it truly unique. We'll start by changing the skin. Select the NPC by looking at it and typing /NPC select. Then assign any player skin to the command, using the command /NPC skin player name. For instance, augmenting ElectYT to the end of the command gives the NPC the skin of a famous YouTuber. To add gear, use /NPC equip to open the equipment editor GUI. Inside the GUI, you can drag in the items to the respective slots. Your NPC looks great, but it's still mannequin. It's time to breathe some life into it and make it actually interact with your players. With the NPC selected, use /NPC look to make its head track nearby players as they move. Next, give a dialogue with /NPC text. This opens a text editor where you can add lines of dialogue that will trigger on a click or when a player gets close. Let's type edit 0, hi there. This will change the default text to be a green colored message that is activated when the NPC is right clicked. Now let's get your NPC walking with a custom path. Citizens has a direct pathfinding system, so your NPCs can walk around without falling into hazards. After selecting your NPC, type /NPC path to activate the waypoint editor. Now left click on blocks to set waypoints for your NPC. Type /NPC path to deactivate the waypoint editor. Once you're done, the NPC will immediately begin walking around the created path, looping from the end to back to the start. If you simply want the NPC to wander, type /NPC wander while selecting your NPC. Use this to create patrolling guards, wandering merchants, or villagers moving through a town. Your world is finally starting to feel alive with moving NPCs, but we've saved the best for last. The next feature is the most powerful one in the entire plugin, turning your NPCs into functional utilities. But before that final feature, a critical note on performance. Running complex plugins like Citizens requires a stable, lag-free host. Investing in a quality server provider is essential for a smooth administrative and player experience. Luckily, Nautical Hosting can provide just that. With powerful, affordable servers, Nautical is a no-brainer for any server admin. Go check them out with my link in the description, and use my code ElectYT for 15% off your first month. The most powerful feature of Citizens is utility. You can make NPCs execute commands on click. With the NPC selected, use the command /NPC command add, and then specify the command you want to run. For example, you can create a server selector NPC that executes /server survival when clicked. You can configure NPCs to function as bankers opening a virtual vault, quest givers distributing items, or teleporters. Also, if you're looking for a quick way to make your NPCs look good that goes beyond the features showcased in this video, check out the configuration document linked in the description. After you wait for the download, you'll be brought to a document with commands and installation instructions. You have the tools to create an NPC, customize its appearance, add basic interaction, set a patrol path, and assign it functional commands. These 5 features are the core of transforming a static map into a dynamic professional server. What will you use these features for? Let me know in the comments. If this guide was effective, subscribe for more direct and efficient server tutorials. My name is Alec, and I'll see you in the next one.